empires rose. They conquered continents and fell in blood. From ancient Rome to World War II, from African kingdoms you've never heard of, to the battles that changed everything.
Right side, watch the alley!
Every battle reconstructed, every strategy explained, every conquest brought to life. Discover Hannibal's genius, Africa's richest king, the battle that stopped Hitler, and warriors who defied impossible odds. These aren't just stories. They're lessons. Courage, strategy, ambition, betrayal. Join the Conquest. Never miss an empire's rise or fall. The Conquest has just begun. Subscribe to Conquest Files.